In India, lots of things happening, like politicians and children's. But I am telling you one thing: BJP is only for a Qatar Hindu or not for a secular Hindu. If you are a secular Hindu, then please go through your Congress politician. Now, let's start our data types. So basically, data types are three types: integers, character, and float. Now, I am going to discuss about only int, like integers. Integers is basically a number. Like it is a rational numbers, our irrational numbers, but integers only work with the numbers. Numbers can be measured into a form, and statics are basically two types: quantitative and qualitative. It is an advanced topic like a statics, but right now I am just covering only like integers. So integer I am using on a numerical data set, like in which I have a height, a weight, like I can measure things only qualitative. And integer are uh, like I am Suman, so my name is also data, and my city, my state, and my educations, from which city, and right now where I'm living is also a data. So it's only cover into a integers data, like in which have a lots of number, a pin code, and weight, height, etc. It is only integers. Now, where I can use integers, we can use in it a only a numericals and a demo graphics and mapping the data from the data set. A data set is a collections of our gathering of data, and I will store into a data center, which is only worked on a big data. Or for small data, I will store on a Google Cloud, like Drive, a pen drive, and PC, C drive, and D drive, etc. And it is our second session about only integers, and its applications of a integers, uh, like a five, like five of a measuring range, how much we can expand of our range of 5 GB and 67 GB at which centimeter.